Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this 4-seat sectional that I think it's really cool. Sorry about the mess. I'm kind of like setting up this room together. This is my media room, and I think this sectional, it is really good for couples. But couples that actually enjoy different things. And I'm going to just tell you why. Because this one, for example, you have the 2 seats right here, which is going to be the love seat. By the way, this is totally reclinable. I mean, not totally, actually. The one in the corners are going to be the recliners, and these ones are going to be fixed. The corner one and these ones are going to be fixed. And each one of these seats supports 400 pounds. So I think that's actually a lot of weight for something this size, because I was looking for something that is not super big, you know, kind of like. The bottom line is that this one is 59 inches. If you add this corner, is 64 inches. And this one is about 32 inches. So ideally, you have the plumb sum of how big this one is. It's not super big. So 400 pounds is actually a lot. But I'm telling you, this one, it's great. Just because right here, I can sit with my wife and she can do the recliner. I don't like to do reclining too much because I kind of like to sit in a concentrated position. Let's say that when I'm watching TV or something like that, but she likes a recliner. So right here, we can both sit together and watch TV on our projector. But right there, it's my gaming console. So I can just switch and use my only seat right here to play video games right here. That's why I have this one. And just to play video games, like when I'm kind of like playing FPS, I'm kind of like this, rah, rah, rah. And then if I'm playing like a single player, I'm like this. I don't use the recliner. That is why this one is kind of like against the wall, because I don't like the recliner. But she does, and she really enjoys this one. By the way, let's actually take a closer look. Okay, something that I want to show you is that this, you can actually take this one out if you want. It's just a divider. You can take it out and put it on the other one if you want. Because if you want to sit with your wife or your partner together right here, you can take this one out. But this is a USB-A charging port. This is the one that I use for my controllers. And right now, I'm actually charging my headset, my gaming headset. So you can use this. Plus having 3 different, because you have one here, and one on the other side, 3 different cup holders for those drinks. Okay, but this one, it's a manual recliner. Either for this one, on the one on that corner, it's a manual recliner. By the way, the assembly process is not super hard, but this thing comes in 6 boxes. Remember, 6 boxes. And each one of this one will come with some parts kind of like inside of the actual seats. So make sure that you check all those and you open all the zippers and you open all the Velcros, because you're going to find all the pieces inside. The assembly process, I did it with a friend and it took us an hour, like 60 minutes. So kind of like plan for that. If you have power tools, it's going to take you an hour. If you are alone, it may take you like 90 minutes or something like that. Have some patience. It's not hard at all. Just read the instruction and look for the content on the 6 boxes. But then, manual recliner, just like this. Check it out. I'm doing this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it, and then I have the whole recliner for myself if I want to take a nap, for example. My wife really enjoys this recliner. She said that it's super comfy. I guarantee that it's super comfy. Everything is well padded. And I do like that the fabric is not something that the cats can scratch and kind of like, I don't know, like break or something like that, which I do like for sure. And then to put it like kind of like in the same position, what you're going to do is this, and then you're going to do this, and then you're going to do this. And then we're all set. Oh my God. Oh, I was actually doing this with the lever. So now we're all set. I like it. I have to say that it is pretty convenient, pretty functional. You have a seat for 4 people. But the best thing, again, is you have one for couples and one for that loner that likes to play video games, like me, for example. I love this one with the USB-C chargers, the 400 pounds, and the cup holders. I like it. I do recommend it.